everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unbagging my January Sephora play bag. And yes, this is super late this month. I actually saw some unbaggings like 2 weeks ago, and I had gotten notice on January 11th that my product had shipped, like this product had shipped, and I was watching it, and it never actually showed up at UPS. So finally, I forget what day it is. I'm going to actually put a picture up here of my communications with Sephora online. I just did a quick conversation with them via chat, and I was asking where my product was, or where my bag was, and they said that they were having an IT upgrade, and you can read through it if you'd like. It's just, it ended up that they created the shipping label on January 11th, but they actually didn't ship this until like the 20th or something like that. It was crazy. But anyway, we are here now, and I'm going to open my Sephora play bag. So they do always come with a card. It does have 50 Beauty Insider points. I try to redeem these. If I don't, it's not the end of the world to me. When I first started getting this box, I used to redeem them all the time, but now I'm not as like strict about that because I'm trying to not buy as much because I have so much already. So anyway, here is the paper. It has all of the products on it and all of their descriptions. So I will be referring to that as we go. But we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. I try not to look. So anyway, let's pull this out here. Okay, so this is the thing that I've seen other people being like, what? Really? Like, what is this? So this is Four Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. So that is what it looks like. All right. So this says, the future is fungi. Four Sigmatic Golden Latte Mushroom Mix with shiitake and turmeric. It's a drinkable blend of natural ingredients that delivers a glow from within radiance. Why it's Cosmos approved. Oh, I guess I should have said that the theme this month is Your Beauty Future, and it's got like a whole like beauty scope here on the back. Yeah. Anyway. Why it's Cosmos approved. Why not drink your beauty? This slightly sweet, dairy-free latte is made with powerful mushrooms, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, which helps support full body well-being. How to use: mix with 7 ounces of hot water and then drink up. Now, I don't drink tea. I think this is tea, right? Golden latte. I don't drink tea. I don't drink coffee. I just don't drink it. I drink water a lot of the times, and then occasionally I will have a like a 0-calorie soda as well, but I just don't drink tea. So I will give this to either my husband John or my son Neil and see if they're interested in it, but it's just not something that I would use. So that's okay. It's different. Let's go ahead and pull the next item out. What is this? All right, so this is from Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask. I did get one of these before in another beauty box. Might have been Sephora, I don't know. But I haven't used it yet. So now I have a second sample, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. It is a little blue tub. I love their lip sleeping mask, or their lip mask. I use it all the time. Like every other day I put it on my lips before going to bed. This doesn't have very much of a scent. It is like a light blue gel consistency. So I'm excited about that, especially this time of year. My skin is super dry during the winter. This winter more so than previous years, but for some reason this year it's super dry. All right, this is the Overnight Sensation Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. A quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Why it's Cosmos approved. Your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates stressed, parched skin with hydroionized mineral water. How to use: 1 or 2 nights a week, or whenever skin needs extra hydration, apply a quarter size amount. Leave on overnight, then rinse in the morning. So I definitely have to give this a try. Like I said, my skin's been super dry this winter, and I know I have another sample somewhere, but I don't know where it got to. It's somewhere in with all the rest of like my skincare samples, so I will definitely give that a try. Reaching into the bag, what is this? Okay, so this is this month's bonus, which I do like getting this rather than perfume. I just don't wear perfume. It usually causes me a reaction, gives me a really bad headache. I can use like body mists and something that's like a lot lighter scented, but perfume typically I don't react well to. But this is from Bite Beauty. It is a little sample. This is the Agave Lip Balm, and this is the Agave Lip Scrub. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. I might actually just throw that in my purse and use it. So this is cosmically compatible. Bite Beauty Agave Sugar Lip Balm and Scrub. A gentle lip scrub and soothing lip balm duo that delivers soft, smooth, hydrated skin. Why it's Cosmos approved. Its nurturing formula cleanses and exfoliates and moisturizes and conditions. So I am happy about that. I was holding it backwards. Anyway, there we go. That's actually a bonus that I will definitely use. All right. Let's pull this out because I wasn't real sure about this. Okay, so this is a little sample of Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. That is what it looks like. Okay, and there is just a little tube in here. So I have gotten this before. I do use it on occasion. My biggest problem is I always forget to put like morning serums on, if that makes sense. I wash my face in the morning. If I'm feeling particularly dry, I will put moisturizer on, but that's about it in my morning routine. I do a lot longer skincare routine in the evening, but my morning routine is severely lacking. So it says, blinded by the bright, Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It's a fast-absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten skin. Why it's Cosmos approved. Donus doesn't stand a chance with this radiance-inducing treatment that fights the look of dark spots and discoloration while visibly plumping skin. How to use. Apply a dime-sized amount to clean, dry skin morning and night. There you go. I thought this was only for morning. I learned something new today. All right. Go ahead and pull this item out next. So this is from Bite Beauty. It's a second Bite Beauty product in here, which is kind of cool. This is a matte cream lip crayon in glaze, something like that. I'm not going to swatch this right now because I think I might have this one. Actually, let me look because I think I might have this. Yep, I already have it in my collection and I've already used it actually. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. All right, so I'm going to show you the swatch real quick, but the one that is brand new, I'm going to put in my giveaway drawer. And this is what it looks like. If you notice a difference in lighting, it's because I did turn another light on. So there you go. That's what it looks like. It's a nice shade. I have worn it before. I think this might have been the birthday gift this year. I know I'm sorry, 2018, they had Bite Beauty. I think it was a crayon, a lipstick, and this. I think it was a 3-piece kit for 2018. So, I mean, we are getting the birthday gift from last year, but that's okay. Like I said, this new one will go to you. This old one will stay in my collection, and that's fine. All right, one more product in here, which I'm really excited to get, actually. It is a little mini. This is the Beauty Blender... Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. So that is what it looks like. It's just tiny. I'm really excited to get this though because I love their solid cleanser. I've gone through many of the original cleansers. This is like the pro version. I've never used this and I've thought about buying it. It comes in a really big, big tub. And the regular cleanser is a smaller tub. And that's what I just typically have bought the regular cleansers, but I've been very curious about this, so I'm definitely going to give this a try and see how it works because I'm very excited about that. I don't think I read to you from the paper about the Bite Beauty. Let me read that first and then I'll go back to the Beauty Blender. All right, so this is Stay Glacé. I guess it's Glacé or Glacé. Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. A high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. Why it's Cosmos approved. This longwear formula makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals in moisture for a water-resistant yet hydrating finish. How to use. Line your lips, then fill in the center. Tip. Sharpen as needed and use the shavings to add color to your cheeks. I never thought about that. Let me see. Is this actually a sharpen? Okay, so it is a twist up, but I guess you can sharpen it so that you have the sharp tip to line your lips with. All right, and the Beauty Blender Cleanser, a charcoal-infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. Why it's Cosmos approved. A new year means fresh starts. Deep clean your beauty sponges and brushes with this effective formula for even better makeup application. How to use. Wet your sponge or brush, then run over the soap to create a lather. Gently squeeze out water and repeat until clean. Set out tools to dry. So I am excited about this. So okay, so my box this month from Sephora Play. I have the Beauty Cleanser, which I'm very excited about. The Laneige Sleeping Mask, again, very excited about. The CEO Sunday Riley, which I'm definitely going to use. Yeah, I'm not going to use that. But then again, some people might really love it. I just don't drink tea or coffee. So I'm not sure if this is tea or coffee. It says a latte mix. I don't know. I won't drink it. And then the 2 Bite Beauty products, which I'm pretty sure are this 2018's birthday present. That's fine. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and read to you my sign on this. I'm not going to read all of them, but I am an Aries. My birthday is the end of March. It's no surprise that Rams always lead the charge. Things can move fast in the Aries world, so prepping for success is key. A setting spray will give you the protection you need to take on anything without fear of melting makeup. I don't know. So that's kind of weird because we didn't get a setting spray this month, but whatever. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can take like a screenshot and zoom into yours. I'll do it a little bit closer here. Maybe you can see your sign if you're interested. But there you go. That is my Sephora play bag for January 2019. I think it was pretty good. Yeah. I've been disappointed with some Sephora play bags here very recently, but I don't think it was bad. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. It really does help me out. And hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos as well. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What do you think of January's Sephora play bag? Do you get it? Did you get the same products? Because I know sometimes they do have variations. I'd love to hear it down in the comment section. Anyway, also just one quick thing. I have opened my own online clothing boutique with my sister. If you're interested, the link is in the description bar down below. It is niminies.com. I'd appreciate it if you check it out. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!